Greetings, Benjamin J from BENZTRAINZ with another in the series. Well, another delivery from eBay. This is two motors that I bought. One is a Marx, one is a Lionel. Got them both for $6. So, wanted to do an unboxing. Now, I don't really know what condition these are in. There are only two photos of them. Let's see, where do I open it? There we go. So, the Marx motor is missing a brush spring. I know that. I could tell that from the photo. But as far as their condition, I have no idea at all. So, let's take a quick look and see what we have. This is the Lionel motor. Wow. There we go. All right, Lionel motor, and it appears to be reasonably intact. Whether it runs, I have no idea. So this is the Marx motor. Now, the only thing I could see on this from the photo was that it was missing a brush spring. And of course, it's missing the contactor as well. So it's a double reduction motor, missing the push rods. And with a couple of drops of oil, it is really frozen. But the armature's turning, so it just needs to be lubricated. It's missing the top brush spring, so there's no way to even test this right now. So anyway, this one needs a contactor. This one we can test. Let's put it on the rail and see what happens. Hold on, I gotta pull a locomotive off. We'll just put that on the outside rail for now. All right, so a Lionel motor. No idea if this is going to run. Yeah, it looks like it wants to. Get these push rods out of the way. I should probably take those off, actually. Well, it's definitely going to run, I think. Hold on. Let me put the camera back on the tripod for a second. All right. Focus the camera. Take these push rods off. This might just run. Anyway, I got both these motors for $6. And this one I bought for parts. This one just came along with it. So anyway, let's see. Wow, it is really dry, no doubt about that. All right, grab the camera off the tripod. Wow, that's actually running quite well. Forward only right there. All right. Well, that by itself was worth the $6. It even has the coupler on it. All right, let's run it back. It needs to be oiled. It is really, really dry. Let's see here. Wow, that's running just absolutely splendidly. Needs to be oiled. Manual forward and reverse. But it's running. Should have a neutral right there. And it does. All right. So that by itself was worth the $6. So, and then the Marx motor, like I said, I bought it just for parts. Double reduction motor, almost frozen, but the armature moves, so it just needs some oil. As you can see, it does move. Anyway, contact plate is broken. And it is missing that top brush spring. So I'm betting this will run. A few drops of oil. Whether the E unit works or not, difficult to say. It's been really badly bent here in the front. This is out of a 666, very likely, from the looks of it. Anyway, bought it for parts. Got both the motors for $6. As I always stress, don't overlook the junk. So the Lionel motor is already running, so no problem with that. You can see they actually physically broke this out of the shell. The screw is still in it, the mounting screw. So it came with the push rods, and it's up and running with no problem. This one, a couple of drops of oil, a contactor plate, and very likely it's going to run. I won't know until I get it broken loose. But like I said, I bought this one for parts. It's missing the push rods. But it has an E-unit in it, has all the parts. So it was definitely worth $6 for the two of them. I actually made the guy an offer. He had them on there for $10. I said, hey, I'll give you 6. He instantly accepted that. Anyway, I just want to do a quick video on the unboxing. So the Lionel motor is up and running. What I'm going to do with it, I have no idea. But we'll see. The Marx motor, it needs a brush spring, but I've got one laying right there, as you see. So I'll put a couple of drops of oil on this, get the wheels moving, put that brush spring on it. I can run a power wire to it to see if it runs. I'm betting it does. It depends on the condition of that E-unit, of course. If not, like I said, I've been buying stuff for parts. I'm completely out of parts. So I may actually cannibalize this one. We'll see. So just a quick video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.